In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 best welding machine available on the market every day. We made this list based on our own opinion research and custom reviews. We have considered the quality, features, and values. A welding machine is a piece of equipment used to join two pieces of metal or thermoplastic by melting the base material and adding a filler material, often referred to as welding rod or wire. The process uses heat, pressure, or both to create a strong bond between the materials. There are different types of welding machines depending on the welding process, and each is suited for specific tasks. So let's find out.
At number 5. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 4. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want more information about this product, please check description box link below. At number 3. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. At number 2. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. At number 1. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want to buy this product, please check description box. Thanks for watching and see you again for new videos.